Here we go. This is Escobar, this compass A7. Just got it. Very good friend sent this out here for me. This is pretty nice, man. Got the pyro. Actually a brand new motor. He said he only have a few flights on it. He didn't like it, too powerful for him. This is actually, the frame is actually bigger than the T-Rex frame, the T-Rex 700. I didn't know. I've never seen this thing closer. This is my first time actually seeing the Compass A7. This is awesome. So yeah, this is the box that it came in. They sent me a full kit. You know, sent me 2 brand new canopy. Canopy number 1. Canopy number 2. That's the brand new one. That's the one that he was used. Not even a scratch on both of them. This is unbelievable. And that's the tail boom and the gears. Tail boom, the gears and the blade, the bottom plate, and all the stuff that is in there. So, well, I got a bunch of helicopter stuff here, so I don't really have too much to go. I'm probably just gonna need the servos. I was gonna buy a Hicon gyro, but I'm not sure if the Hicon gyro will fly this big thing. So I might put my AR 7200 flybarless gyro on it. Get the 3 servos. Get the 3 servos. No, 4 servos. I don't even know what kind of servo I'm gonna use right now, but I'll probably go with some high voltage. Get 4 high voltage for it. Well, I'm supposed to be back out of here Monday morning, so I'm gonna try to get this thing going at least. So hover, maybe at least a flips or something until I come back. Yeah, guys. So this is Escobar's first 700 size helicopter. You know, I was actually working on the Rush 750, but I'm not too. I wasn't too comfortable with the Rush 750 frame. Even through, you know, I was a Compass guy for a long time. You know, I was one of the first person to have the Compass, the Adam 500 in the state of California. As I was a factory pilot for Common Sense RC. That's how come I come in touch with the helicopter long before Nankin Hobby have taken over. So this is pretty nice, man. It actually is everything. The only thing needed is the servos, 4 servos, flybarless gyro, which I already have. So this is a nice flybarless head, man. Very slick. I don't think you can ever bend this flybarless head. Unbelievable. Oh, I forgot the speed controller. I'll probably get the Castle 160. I know Castle have a new version of the speed controller, so I'll probably go with that. Over here is all my had a 450-250, my daughter quadcopter. That's my Blade MCPX brushless sitting right there. And all my JR stuff is sitting up there. So anyway, guys, this is the open box for Escobar first 700. That's the Compass 7HV. And I want to tell you, this is my first time interacting with this frame. It's actually bigger than the T-Rex 700 frame. They should have named this helicopter 750 instead of 700. It is pretty nice. It got the Pyro. It got the Pyro 700 on there, man. I know this motor. I've seen this motor in action before. It's a $340 motor. Man, this is unbelievable. It's a belt drive. Not really that bad of a deal. So I'm gonna put it together right now. Hopefully I can actually fly it by Sunday evening. I'm try to get some Loctite. I already have some Loctite. I got enough tools and stuff like that on there. This is the manual. This is the manual right there. So I'm gonna get going with it, guys. Alright, thanks for watching, man. Escobar, peace out. I want that to be the picture for YouTube. Bullseye.